Uh, Good evening, sir. So in this video, I learned about geospatial data. Um, this in this module, it basically geospatial data helps to get data of any locations. Like if there is a database and you want to get get a specific location and get the data of the location that are around it and like that and if you want to search different locations near that area. Okay, if you want to search different location inside that area, if you want to search a specific users inside that area, so in if it's in the database, then we can use this geospatial data information. So uh, I'll go with their example that the author showed me. So I'll be using some of the things that the uh, already the author worked with. So yeah. Mm, like this is the California Academy of Sciences, and yeah, here there are the two things. This is the longitude and this is the latitude. So we will use these coordinates to store the location of this in our database. So like I've already created a database. Awesome places. Wait. Hmm. So now, sorry. Hmm. So now we'll add db dot places. This is our mm, the collection name places. Insert one. I recommend you to please see the video in 1.5x or 2x because I'll be adding so much data and it will it will get a very lengthy video. FOR California Academy. Okay. Location. This location is the data type that we use. Operator that we use. Now type point. We have to use this. Always we have to use this. Now coordinates that I told you that these are the longitude and latitude. You have to store that. So first we have to store longitude. It will be in an array like -122 4724724356 37.76. Okay, now enter. Yeah, acknowledge true. Now db dot places dot find one. Yeah, so we can see the our location is here. This is basically this is our geospatial data that I told you that that will be using in this module. So this shows us the location of the place, California Academy of Sciences. So now we will see how to run geo queries. So for that, we'll be using near command. So near command means that near command is an operator in MongoDB to work with geospatial data. It requires another document as a value. So we'll be using near command, which shows that which basically tells that what are the places that are near our location, predefined location. And we'll be also using geometry, $ geometry command, which shows that which will help us to know that where we want to check that the place is near or not. The geometry command is our GeoJSON object. Okay. So now db.places.find location. Near basically tells us that our location is mm, near basically tells us that our location is that the thing that we want to search is around the coordinates that we are giving. So it basically helps us to search the area near near the location. So yeah, near, then as I told you that we'll be using geometry command as well, that helps to get the which is our GeoJSON object. It helps to find the exact location, type, point, as I told you in the last this one, type point. We have to, it is predefined, we have to add that coordinates -122.47. I'm just adding the first two digits, 37.77. Okay. Now I'll hit enter. Now it showed an error. Because why it showed an error? Because we should add a geospatial index for that to find the value near. Okay. So now I'll be making an index first. db.places dot create index. Wait, I'll just, yeah, it will be more easy. Index, then location is our operator. Then this thing you have to remember that we have to use this 2D sphere. This is our argument, 2D sphere. Now, yeah, you can see that location dot underscore 2D sphere is created. This is our index name. So now if we will run this, yeah, mm, we can see that uh, it is running. Uh, the object ID is here, name California Academy, location is this, and these are the coordinates. So this is how near command works. Now, and we all have to create an index for that to use the near command, because it won't work without that. So now I'll be adding three more places to get along, because it will help in the further further parts of the module. So I'll be just pausing the video and I'll be adding the information so that it will be fast, and then I'll resume. Oh, sorry, before adding the three new points, I will show you like how this near command helps to get that helps to find us that where in which area our location is exactly. Like I'll show you, it will be using max distance and min distance for it. So like $max distance. Suppose it's 100 and min distance it is suppose 10. Okay, it won't show anything because mm, from these coordinates are main California Academy. This one is is more than 400 meters away, more than 450 meters away. So if we will, why is it not running? Oh, maybe because I have not added the exact coordinates. Hmm, that's why it's not. Hmm. Hmm. So uh, actually, I have not added the exact coordinate. That's why the we have to add so much distance. So you'll get idea that like it will help to get precisely that how much far away our location is from the pointed area. So now I'll add the three more places for the further part of the video. So as you can see, I've added three more location: Conservatory of Flowers, Golden Gate Tennis Park, and Nopa. So wait, I'll show you. Like this is our California of Science. Okay, Nopa is somewhere around here. It is outside our map, outside this. Okay, so wait, is my photo like yeah? These three dots you can see. These are the points that sorry, these four blue markers you can see. These are the four markers that I have already added. This is the California. This is our first data that I have added, and these three are the data set that I have added now. So as you can see, this is outside our predefined area, and this the area that is inside this. Sorry, the area that is enclosed in this. As you can see, it is the area under which we want to it is a enclosed area under which we want to find that a point is inside this area or not. So that's what I'll be showing you now. And for these four points, white dots, the polygon that I have created, so for that we'll be adding some constant to help us. So I'll be adding that constant coordinates as well, and then I'll resume the video. So as you can see, I have added these four constant P1, P2, P3, P4, which are the points, these 4 points that I have shown in this enclosed area. So now I'll be telling you that how these 4 points will help us to get a data. So now, as I told you that I'll be finding places inside a certain area. So our area is will be around these 4 points. So it will be a polygon. So now I'll be adding that data like db dot places dot find, sorry, hmm, hmm, find location geo within. Yeah, so geo within, what is geo within? It will help us find all elements within a certain shape or within a certain area or object. So that's what we want to find the elements that are present in a certain area. So we'll use this geo within command, and then inside it we will use another operator, that is geometry. As I already told you, this is our GeoJSON data. Our geospatial data is stored inside this geometry. Then one more argument will come, that is type. And in the previous arguments I showed that the type was point, and then in this the type is polygon. As I told you that our area is a polygon shaped. Now we'll add the coordinates of the polygon, that is I already stored them in this constant, so I'll be adding that value only. mm, so it will be a double array, p1, p2, p3, p4, and p1 again, because first and last element should be same to complete the polygon. Let's see now. Okay, what is the error? Why polygon is coming error? Let me see. Oh, I think like this type should not, yeah, dollar sign will not come. Yeah. So now we can see that our data is added, and there is something wrong. Like three places should come, only two are coming. Okay, so that first data that I have added, California Academy of Sciences, I have already added two fields in that, so it will so I think that California Institute of Sciences is somewhere outside this predefined area, so it's not coming. So you can see these two conservative flowers and golden danger. These two are coming within the area, and this one NOPA is outside, and California, sorry, this first object is also outside because I added a different location for that. So that's how we can find an object that is uh, find about an object if it is within an area or not. Now we will find if the user is inside the area. Suppose this is our area, and suppose at here at Golden Park our user is standing. So to find that, what we will do? So we will use geo intersect, which simply returns all areas that have a common point or a common area. So first I'll make a new collection named areas. Insert one, name Golden Gate Park. Okay. Hmm. Now area. We will be using here area because that's what we want to know. Like the user, if the user is inside the area or not. Right now we are just inserting the data type polygon, coordinates, double array, p1, p2, p3, p4, and again p1. So this shows that we are inserting Golden Gate Park, which is inside the area that that the area that we created before, points this area, and then Golden Gate Park is inside. It is the area. Sorry, Golden Gate Park is the whole area. So we are just adding that value. Yes, see now that it is added. Now to find the user, that the user is within that area, we will use geo intersect command, which will simply return all areas that have a common point or common area. So wait, I'll just show you db.areas dot find area argument geo intersects geo intersects geometry that holds a GeoJSON object. Now again, one more curly braces. Now type, that will be a point because the user is a point in the map. Coordinates are, I'll just use the coordinates that I've already written. Like suppose the user is standing here. Mhm. Hmm. Yeah, so we can see a user. This shows that a user is inside this polygon, and these are the coordinates of the polygon. These two polygons, these two first and second coordinates should be same. So yeah, this shows that the user is inside the given area. So that's all about today's video and geospatial data. Now I'll talk to you about the next module in the next video. I have till now completed 11 modules. Now I'll be going to the 12th module in the next video. Thank you, sir.